Hello everyone, welcome back to the HoloWare Tech Podcast. I am Nazia from the HoloWare team, and today we are diving into something truly exciting: AI laptops. Specifically, we will be focusing on HoloWare's latest AI laptop, a game changing device designed to meet the growing demands of artificial intelligence. Whether you are a student or a professional in India working with AI driven projects, this laptop is made for you. So let's get started. Artificial intelligence is transforming how we work with technology, making tasks more efficient and intuitive. So, what exactly is an AI laptop? It's a laptop designed with built in AI features that enhance performance, power efficiency, and the overall user experience. These laptops excel at handling tasks like deep learning, machine learning, and real time data analysis, critical functions that require high computational power. Simply put, AI laptops are the tools of the future for AI development and data heavy tasks. HoloWare is proud to be the first Indian brand to introduce a laptop built specifically for AI applications. This product caters to the unique needs of students and professionals alike who are diving into AI, machine learning, or data science. With the focus on delivering high performance, HoloWare's AI laptop is designed to handle the most demanding AI tasks, from deep learning to real time analytics, all while ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience. AI isn't just about crunching data or running complex models. It also enhances your everyday laptop use. Voice recognition is one example, allowing you to interact with your laptop hands free. Adaptive brightness and battery optimization are other key AI features that adjust your laptop settings based on your usage and surroundings, ensuring optimal comfort and energy efficiency. Additionally, AI powered security features like biometric logins and real time threat detection help keep your data secure while improving user privacy. Leading brands are incorporating AI features in their laptops to meet the increasing demands for devices that can handle AI workloads. AI laptops dynamically adjust system resources in real time to optimize performance and conserve battery life. This makes them not only powerful but also efficient. With AI powered security, they offer advanced protection for your data, while smart user experiences like predictive text and display optimization make everyday tasks easier and more personalized. So, how do AI laptops compare to traditional non AI laptops? The biggest difference is adaptability. Non AI laptops operate on fixed performance settings, which can be inefficient during light tasks or underpowered when high performance tasks are required. In contrast, AI laptops adjust their performance dynamically based on real time requirements, optimizing both power and processing capabilities. This ensures that AI laptops provide maximum efficiency during demanding tasks like data processing or machine learning. HoloWare's AI laptop is built to support the most demanding AI applications. It comes with powerful processor options, including the Core Ultra 5 and Core Ultra 7, which delivers the high computational speeds necessary for AI tasks. Coupled with Intel Arc graphics, this laptop is designed to handle complex visual data, perfect for tasks like image processing and data visualization. Additionally, it offers up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and up to 1 terabytes of NVMe SSD storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast data access. As AI technology continues to advance, investing in a laptop designed for AI applications is a smart move. HoloWare's AI laptop is built to handle emerging software, increasing datasets, and evolving machine learning models. Its intelligent features, such as dynamic task management, energy efficient performance, and cutting edge security, ensures that it remains relevant for years to come, making it a wise investment for those who work in tech, data science, or AI development. HoloWare's AI laptop is truly one of a kind in India. With powerful hardware, tailored AI optimizations, and future ready capabilities, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to harness the power of artificial intelligence. Whether you are a student just starting with AI or a professional advancing in machine learning, this laptop has what you need to stay ahead. And for more information, visit holoware.co or contact us at marketing@holoware.co. Thanks for tuning in to the HoloWare Tech Podcast. This is Nazia signing off. Stay curious, keep innovating, and take care.